Welcome everyone to the channel. Today we are going to talk about a very useful LinkedIn setting that can help you manage your online presence and privacy. This video will show you how to disable mentions on the LinkedIn app on your phone. Let's begin the steps. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top left. Then, scroll down and tap on Settings. After that, select the visibility option from the menu. Next, scroll down until you find the option called Mentioned by Others. Then, click on it and turn off the Allow Mentions toggle. Finally, your settings will be saved automatically, and other users will no longer be able to mention you in their posts or comments. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more practical tips.